me, Charlize.
And Cassidy.
And Celine.
Today we're going to be making
Slime! And we're just going to get on with the video. So, what you're going to need is a bowl and a spoon. And you're going to need
Some borax.
the borax mixture, which is borax and hot water so that the borax can dissolve.
We're going to need some glue
Some
and
school glue or whatever type of glue you want.
some lotion.
Okay, Charlize is using a different kind of glue.
because I bought it earlier today.
And you're also going to need some...
Food coloring.
We're just going to make some regular slime, not like fluffy slime or butter slime or anything like that. But, yeah.
Because we have
So first what we're going to do is we're going to add the glue. Cassidy's pouring in her white glue and Charlize, why don't you take off the cap?
Okay.
Well, we're adding in our glue right now. Okay, so we have our glue, and if you want to make it jiggly, then you can add water. So Charlize, are you gonna make yours jiggly?
I want water.
Okay, so they're both gonna add the water. When we're finished adding the water, then we'll come back. Okay, so we're back, and they added 1 spoonful of water.
Do you want us to mix it up?
Yeah, they're gonna mix it in right now because that's like the most important part of this process is that you have to mix it really well. So we're gonna have to mix it like 1,000,000 times. Yeah, so one of the other ingredients that we said you needed was going to be food coloring. Since Charlize already has her color,
I want it to be more yellow.
she's gonna add more yellow. And Cassidy, what color are you gonna make yours?
I'm going to make it purplish bluish.
Purplish, bluish, violetish.
I did it
whatever.
once. It turned blue, so it's probably gonna be blue.
Okay, so after they're finished adding the food coloring, we're going to see what it looks like after. Okay, so we've added our colors, and Cassidy's is like a light purple, and Charlize's is just even more yellow. So now we're going to add the borax mixture. Oh gosh, don't spill it.
It didn't.
Alright.
We need a spoon.
Okay, so take your spoon. Take your spoon.
Yeah.
Actually, let's wipe it off. Okay, so the next step we have to do is add the lotion. So we're gonna add like 4 or 5 pumps to each. No, Charlize, in the bowl.
Okay.
So we're gonna add 4 to 5 pumps in each bowl.
2, 3.
We'll come back when. Okay, so they already pumped their lotion, and now we have to mix it.
Whoa. Whoa.
Alright.
That's not glittery anymore.
Really?
Well, it's not like clear, but it's still glittery. Okay, so the last sort of step is going to be to add the borax. We're going to add like, you can just stick your thing in there. I mean, you're going to have to wipe it off the spoon anyway. So go ahead and take add a little bit at a time. If you don't add it a little bit at a time, then it's going to
Nothing came on my spoon.
it's going to be not stretchy, and they're mixing their slime, and as you can see, it's already working.
I'm going to start kneading it with hands.
Once it starts coming off of the bowl, then you can go ahead and start kneading it with it. Is yours turning out good?
Yeah.
Mix it and see.
Mine's not sticky because somebody had some borax.
Okay, so they're really struggling with this, and Cassidy's was not very stretchy because we had to add a lot of borax.
Okay, this
So,
is getting better.
We're gonna have to add a lot more lotion to hers.
Mine's is getting
Me?
slimy.
Yeah. Alright, so we just added a whole bunch of lotion and a whole bunch of borax just so that it could be like the perfect texture. So they're here playing with slime, and we're about to end the video. So guys, this is the end of our video. We hope you liked it. Please share this video.
Fun.
Yeah, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
and don't forget to leave a comment of what we should do next time.
Like.
Bye.
Bye.